Good morning. Chapter 5, Lesson 6 is on page 229. We're going to play with some more polynomials. Pretty simple stuff so far. Number 15 says, let's evaluate this polynomial when we have x equals 5. And it says, let me make sure I wrote that down, x cubed minus 27. So wherever we have an x, we're going to plug in a 5 and see what we can do with that. So this looks like 5 cubed minus 27, and I think 5 cubed turns out to be 5 times 5 times 5, which is 25 times 5, which is 125. So this is the expression it looks like, 125 minus 27, and I think if we do that math, this turns out to be 98. So if I evaluate this expression, x cubed minus 27 for x is 5, I think I end up with 98. Let's try number 39. It says, here's a polynomial, ax squared plus 3x plus 7, and it is equal to 15 when x is 1. So I'm going to plug in an x is 1 and see if I can find out what a has to be. So this looks like a times 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 7, and that's going to be a 15. So I think this looks like 1a plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 15, or 1a plus 10 is equal to 15, or I think if I subtract 10 from both sides, 1a turns out to be equal to 15, take away 10, or 5, and so our final answer is a turns out to be 5. Now the expression also said if I stuck in x is equal to 2, the expression turned out to be 33. Let's see if that's going to work. And it doesn't really matter which of the two you chose. It works out either way. So this looks like a times 2 squared is 4, plus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 7 is equal to 33. So this looks like a 4a plus 13 is equal to a 33. Or if I subtract 13 from both sides, 4a was equal to 20, and if I divided both sides by 4, a turned out to be 5. So it really didn't matter which of the two polynomials you tried to work with. It evaluated the same way. A was equal to 5. Thanks so much. See everybody tomorrow.